Have you ever felt that scream that comes from within, from the depths of your soul, when you simply try to get up from the armchair or the bed? Your body has been trying to talk to you for a long time, or rather, it's screaming for help. There's a silent fire, an invisible enemy that's melting your joints at this very second while you listen to me. But what nobody ever told you, what those colorful commercials hide from you, is that the fire can be put out now. It's not destiny. It's not just the weight of age. It's inflammation. And I'm going to show you how to crush the suffering using only what you already have in your kitchen. Pay close attention, because from this moment on, your world, your health, and the way you age will change, definitely. Never again will you be the same.
Stop immediately believing that old and damned story that after 60 years of age, everything has to hurt, everything has to be difficult. That's a lie, a cruel trap created to keep you trapped, dependent on expensive medications that only patch up the problem while destroying your stomach and liver. The secret, the true power, the one that the ancients already knew, is in nature. There are 5 warriors, 5 supreme foods that are true biochemical shields. They don't just alleviate the pain a little, they shield, they regenerate, they restore the freedom of movement that you thought you had lost forever. Are you really ready to discover what the pain industry tries to hide from you at all costs to continue profiting? Then stay with me. Take a deep breath, because every second of this journey is worth more than gold. The first giant on this list is a golden root, mysterious, that carries within itself all the vibrant power of the sun. I'm talking about turmeric. But don't think it's just a simple spice for rice. No, it's a natural atomic bomb against chronic inflammation. Inside it, there is curcumin, a soldier molecule that penetrates your cells and turns off, literally turns off, the genetic pain button. It's as if you were, finally, putting new, high-quality oil into a gear that was rusty, creaking, and stuck for decades. Imagine, feel now, your knees, light, as if they were young again. This is not magic. It's the biological response that happens when you give your body the right weapon to fight the war it's losing. But be careful, because there is a secret, a crucial detail hidden within the secret. Turmeric, if consumed alone, is like a valiant soldier, but without any weapons in its hands. It passes through your body unnoticed. You need the catalyst, a small, almost insignificant pinch of black pepper. It's piperine that makes the power of turmeric explode by more than 1,000% within your blood. It's the perfect synergy. It's the magic of natural science that no one bothers to explain to you. You begin to feel a different warmth, a life, an energy, flowing where before there was only rigidity and cold. The blood returns to circulate in the tissues. The joints finally begin to breathe again. It's silent regeneration happening now from the inside out. Now, turn your gaze to the deep, cold, and pure waters of the ocean. There it is, our second great ally, omega-3. But I'm not talking about any cheap shelf oil. I'm talking about the omega of life. It is the supreme lubricant of the human machine. Have you ever heard those terrifying cracks? Those cracks that sound like bone hitting bone when you try to move? That's your body, dry, crying for help. Omega-3 enters your joints like a silk cushion, bringing immediate comfort. It expels the accumulated toxins and brings peace to your suffering cartilage. It's the brutal difference between walking with fear of falling and walking with the absolute certainty that your body firmly supports you. We are not just talking about food or diet here. We are talking about survival, dignity, real quality of life. The third element comes from purple fruits, dark, those that seem to stain your hands, almost black. Cherries, blueberries, blackberries. They are little organic grenades filled with anthocyanins. These compounds are relentless hunters. They chase free radicals that are literally eating your collagen and your elasticity. They do a deep clean, sweeping away the toxic waste that inflammation leaves behind every day. It's a deep cleaning that restores the flexibility that time tried to steal from you without asking permission. Feel now the sweet and sour taste of your own healing.
And what about the fourth warrior, ginger, a powerful root with an inner fire that doesn't burn to destroy, but burns to heal. It's a natural analgesic, more potent than many chemical pills you take that only destroy the lining of your stomach. Ginger attacks pain directly at the source of the problem. It reduces swelling in tissues. It unblocks energy channels. Have you ever noticed how your hands and feet sometimes feel heavy, swollen, as if they don't belong to you? Ginger enters the scene with full force and returns the movement. Fine, light, precise. It is nature handing you the key to unlock your own chain of suffering. So, we've arrived at the fifth secret, the most underestimated of all, and perhaps the most important for your longevity. Extra virgin olive oil, the true liquid gold of humanity. But pay attention, it needs to be pure. It contains a miraculous substance called oleopenthol. Do you know what this really does to your body? It acts exactly with the same mechanism as ibuprofen, but without any, absolutely no negative side effects. It's the divine pharmacy in a bottle for you. A simple spoonful of pure health that coats your joints with an invisible layer of infallible protection. It's not just to add flavor to your salad, it's cellular shielding that you need now. Now, I need to ask you with all sincerity and looking you in the eyes, how long will you continue accepting being a prisoner, a hostage of your own body? How long will you allow pain to make the decisions for you, telling you if you can or cannot travel, go for a walk, or simply play with your grandchildren on the living room floor? The final decision is solely and exclusively yours. The information, the truth, is right here, wide open in front of you. These 5 foods are your passport to a life without limits, without restraints. Don't expect tomorrow to bring a miracle cure if you don't have the courage to change your today. Time is your most precious asset, and it's slipping through your fingers. Living well after 60. Living well after 60. That's exactly it. It's about living with intensity, with a strength you thought was gone, with a priceless freedom. It's not about how many years you've already counted on the calendar. It's about how you're going to live each of those years from now on. Take these tips, these secrets, and put each one of them into practice right now. Don't leave it for Monday. Feel the difference in the first week. The mystery has finally been revealed. Pain no longer has a place in your story, in your home, in your body. We are here to guide you, to give you the tools, but the first and most important step is yours to take. Go forward with courage and return to being the sole master of your destiny.